Hi, let me show you how to design a catering business flyer using our PixelLab. So let's go to our PixelLab here. So I will go to the size. I'll leave the size to be like this. That's 1280 by 1280 also. So let me delete this. So I will go to my color here and then choose this gradient color. Yeah. So if you don't know the color, so let me just show you the color. So here's the color. You can actually impute this to get the same color as I did. So here is it. So I'll just create a shape here. I'll create a shape like this and then create it like this. So I'll just turn it like this, rotate it and rotate it a little bit here. So here we go. So let me leave it like this. Alright, now what I will do is I'll create another shape. On this shape, I will increase the radius to be 5, and then I'll go to stroke and then increase the stroke to like, let's say 7 to 8. For the stroke color, I will choose this. So I'll just fix the image right here. So let me just leave it like this. So let me leave it like this. Yeah. So let me just lock the two layers here. I lock the two layers. So what I will do now is I will impute some of the writings. Let's see, let me show you this. So for this writing, I will choose a font, meter regular. For the font size, I'll choose meter regular. Then I will reduce the size to, let's say 22. And I will just leave it to this direction. Yeah. So I will go and I will just go and copy the text here. So I would copy this text. Let me copy it plus this. Yeah. So I'll come and paste it to my PixelLab here. I'll paste it here. So I need this to be deleted. Delete it. Yeah, and then for the writings, let me just adjust them. Yeah, so here we go. I will just pick a ruler for easy alignment. Yeah, so here we go with this. I'll just drag it to the down side. Just drag it to the down. Yeah, well, and then I'll copy this and then write here. What I will do is I will make this one to be like this, and then for the size of this, let me decrease the size, and then for the color, I will choose this color, and then I will align it. So here we go with this. I will go to text and then create another dot. Yeah, so for this dot dot, I will change the color to be this, and I will reduce the size. This seems to be perfect. So let me see. Now what remains is I will create a kind of, I will just write the yeah. So for this I will go to my font and then choose a very good font that will tally with that. Let's say we are just assuming the logo, so we are just doing it as if we are doing a logo. So let me go to text again and write catering services. So for this, let me go to curve and then curve it a little bit. Let's say 15. Now for this, I'll choose a font neutral regular. We have already used this font. So for the color, I'll choose this color and then reduce the size. I'll reduce the size, and then I'll go to, where's my curve? I'll make it to be, let's say 10. So here we go. So now what remains is I'll create some of it. So first let me just hide this. And for this I'll just rotate it like this. Yeah, let me drag this to the part. Sorry. Let me just do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me drag them back. Sorry. Let me just drag them on my own. So here we go. So now what I'm seeing is I will just kind of change this one to be another color. So in another color I will just create a shape. Yep. So I'll rotate the shape here. Yeah, this seems to be good. Put the shape here. And copy it again here. Copy it again here. So you can see how I actually align this. So maybe I will just come to here. Yeah, fix this a little bit. Yeah. So here we go. So here we go. So now what I will do is I will create a shape. And this shape. I'll turn it to be this color. And then I'll increase the radius. Increasing the radius, I will go to crop here and crop some of the parts. Not necessarily all, but I'll crop some of the part here. Let's say like this. Then decrease the size. Decrease the size. So I will just drag, to so let me write our services here. So for the color, I'll put this gradient color, and then for the font, I will go for Nota Regular. So here we go with this, although I can choose to So now what remains is I will just let me drag this backwards here. Drag this backwards. So now what remains is I will texture these shapes with some of the pictures. So let me just wait for one. Let's see this. I will just put the radio to be this one by one. And you can see how I actually textured it. So let me also do it for the second one. One by one. It is textured. So let me do for all. So here we go with this. So what will happen is I will click on the shape that we created initially, that is on top of this textured shapes. So I will go and just enable the color here. Let's turn it to white. You can see how it looks when I turn it to white. So now what remains is I will have my text here, and then write contact us. So I'll just write it here. Make it gradient. Then for this I will go for Nota Regular. Maybe let me go for this. Yeah. So I will go and underline it. Let's see like this. Yeah. Let me decrease the size, sorry. So now what remains is I will put the number. Let's see 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say this is the number, and then let's say this is the WhatsApp number. So I will go and change the fonts to Nota Regular also. No, not Nota Regular. I need to this. Maybe this. Yeah. So I'll just put it like this. Probably I can go and increase the spacing. Yeah. So here we go with this. So I will go and import the logo. So let's say this is the logo here. just import it and then reduce the size. Then fix it where you like. It is here, it's supposed to be here. Yeah, so here we go with this. So I will just go to this row and draw something. Let me choose the color to do this. So let me just draw something like this. First one, I'll just make it to be here, and then I'll reduce the opacity to be like this, and then I'll go to draw again and then choose this color. So I will just do something again, something like this. Yeah, so I'll just choose it here. Yeah, so I will just reduce the size also. So here is it. So you can actually see how we actually did this using the PixelLab. Thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be very useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.